If you have been studying for hours but still feels like your marks are not improving or you always feels behind no matter how much you try, trust me, you are not alone. Most students are working hard but they are working in the wrong way, and today we are going to fix that. In this video, I will share 8 common mistakes students make without realizing it, and more importantly, how to fix them so you can study less but learn more. These are realistic, practical and based on what actually works in real life. So, let's get started.
Studying without a plan. The first mistake is studying without a plan. You sit down with your books and think, okay, let's see what I should do today. 10 minutes go by and you're still deciding. Without a clear plan, you end up jumping between subjects or spending way too long on one topic while ignoring the rest. The fix is simple. Before you sit down, decide your top priorities for that session. It could be revising a chapter, solving questions, or preparing notes. When you have that clarity, you'll spend more time actually studying instead of just thinking about studying. Highlighting everything. Mistake number 2. Highlighting everything. If your textbook looks like a rainbow, you're not learning, you're decorating. Over-highlighting creates a false sense of productivity because it feels like you're doing something, but in reality, you're not training your brain to remember anything. The fix? Highlight only the key terms or dates that truly matter. And here's the game changer. After reading, close the book and try to write down what you just learned in your own words. That's called active recall, and it's one of the most powerful ways to make information stick. Multitasking. While studying mistake 3, multitasking. You might think you're saving time by studying while chatting with friends or checking Instagram between questions. But here's the truth. Your brain can't fully focus on 2 things at once. Every time you switch, you lose a little concentration. And over time, that kills your productivity. The fix? Keep your phone away. Literally in another room if possible. If you need it for study purposes, use apps that block notifications for a set time. Even just 25 minutes of deep distraction-free study can be more valuable than 2 hours of half-focused work. Ignoring sleep mistake 4. Ignoring sleep, I get it. The night before an exam, you feel like staying up will give you more time to study. But here's what actually happens. Your brain becomes tired, your concentration drops, and your ability to remember what you've learned goes down. Sleep is when your brain organizes and stores the information you studied. So when you skip it, it's like deleting hours of hard work. Aim for at least 7 hours, especially before an important test. Your mind will be sharper and your recall will be much better. Not reviewing regularly mistake 5. Not reviewing regularly. Reading something once and thinking, okay, I know this is a trap. The reality is that our brain forgets things if we don't revisit them. The fix is to use spaced repetition. That means reviewing after 1 day, then after 3 days, and then again after a week. You don't have to read the whole chapter again. Just go over your notes or practice questions. This method keeps the information fresh without overloading your brain. Studying for hours without breaks. Mistake 6. Studying for hours without breaks. Many students believe that the longer they sit, the more they'll learn. But it doesn't work like that. After a certain point, your brain gets tired and your ability to focus drops sharply. That's why short breaks are important. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. Use that break to stretch, drink water, or just rest your eyes. You'll return feeling refreshed and ready to absorb more. Mistake 7. Comparing yourself to others. Whether it's the class topper or someone you see online who seems to have a perfect study routine, comparing yourself only kills your motivation. Everyone learns at their own pace and has has their own strengths. The only person you should compare yourself to is your past self. Ask, am I doing better than I was last month? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. And if not, focus on improving your habits, not copying someone else's. Not using audio revision. And here's a bonus mistake most students never think about. Not using audio revision. After you complete a chapter, record yourself explaining the main points in your own words. Then listen to that recording while commuting, before bed, or even while doing chores. Hearing your own voice explain the topic helps your brain absorb and remember it faster. It's like teaching yourself on repeat.
So those were 8 things you might be doing wrong as a student and how to fix them. Remember, it's not about studying the most hours, it's about studying the right way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe for more realistic student advices every week. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.